Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBYI. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. I want to do the 60-minute because this does a better job of showing what's going on from the technical perspective opposed to the daily chart, which you can see here. Really, all you can see on the daily chart is just a massively big move to the upside, and then today it was a red day. So in terms of, now you can still extrapolate information from this time frame. I'm not saying it's totally worthless, but for this video's sake, I think the 60-minute chart just makes things much easier to take a look at. So like I kind of just talked about on the daily chart, the price has just been going and making a monster move, as you can see here, from literally down here in the 000 below 5 to as high as 0049. So percentagely, if that's even a word, this thing's been very appealing and very profitable for those that have been trading it. It's been in a nice trend, and then today finally showed that it was human. And in particular, you can see the last hour, because again this is the 60-minute chart. The last hour really showed that things kind of fell apart for the bulls. Now, the good news is, in the grand scheme of things, in terms of the overall chart, everything is still bullish. But in the microscopic short-term period, you can see here, not the best, move that you'd want to see. So if you're a day trader and you bought up here, assuming you're disciplined, you should already be stopped out. But if you're in this for the overall chart, then there's still plenty of things to like about the chart. So on that note, I want to talk about some key levels of support that we can see here on the 60-minute. First one being right down here at this level right here. You can see two previous lows, and we'll call this level at 0025. So 0025 is one key level of support. The next key level of support on the chart is going to be right down here at that point. So I'll stretch that over some. This is based off of, you can see, just kind of trying to find a middle ground. Some highs went above it, and then there's some areas where it went below this level. So we'll just call it 0.0018. And then that also lines up pretty darn close to the 50 period moving average down here, which is at 0.0016. So these three are going to be the levels that you're going to want to see hold. I'm not saying the price will even come down. It might turn around tomorrow and head right back up. But as far as the price, or as long as the price can maintain above these levels of support, then the overall trend and overall favor does have to be given to the bulls. In terms of resistance levels, the key one that sticks out to me is right up here at 0044. You could call it 0045 if you wanted. This is going to be the only one I'll talk about, but any sort of closes back up above this level, I think that'll kind of reset the chart and draw it back up again to hopefully send it to new highs. So this will be the key level to watch for from the resistance side of things. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If again though, everything's fine from the overall chart perspective, so don't go panic or anything like that, and everything will remain fine as long as those levels of support hold. So I'd encourage you to go up here and sign up for our free newsletter. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself as a trader and into your education and check it out. One more time, this was CBYI 60-minute chart. Thanks for listening.